morning, guys. We're in Paris now, and we've been here for like 2 days, but I was sick. I'm still a little sick, but I'm getting better. So we're gonna vlog today.
Why is he laughing?
Is it which?
Hi, guys. Haven't spoken to you in like a few days. Actually, did I speak to you yesterday or 2 days ago? Something like that. Anyway, we have class now. It's like almost 3 o'clock. It's 2:46, and we have class at 3. We have art. Skylar's back there doing something on her phone. I don't know. But we're about to leave and meet the rest of our class. I feel like I'm getting sick again. That's one reason why you haven't heard from me, because I've been sick. But this is time number 3, so hopefully there's not a 4th, and hopefully this doesn't get any worse. But we gotta go, so let's go. I think I'm gonna show you some of our art class, but where's Skylar? I don't know if they can see you, but maybe they can. It's a little, oh, there she is.
An enormous number of people receive all the tourists, and so this is called the salle des fêtes. Right? This is a room that was created to be very, very ostentatious, where you would receive visiting heads of state, or people who could rent it out for events as well. It's a kind of last remaining piece of the original train station. So there's all this ways the brushstroke is describing the physical world. But then when we I understood something.
Phew, where are we going?
To the Arc and Champion. I think.
Yeah, we're on some excursion right now. I don't know where we're going, but I thought I'd bring you guys along, so welcome.
Coffee, all these things. So 1 minute
Q, get your
for
face out my video.
pictures for.
Oh yeah.
We're already on.
Oh yes. So we are at the Arc de Triomphe, and this is it. Look at her. We're gonna go to the top. So I'll show you guys from the top. But yeah, we're gonna go up there. Apparently you can go all the way up to the top, so that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, never mind. Oh, now you.
We're at the top of the Arc now, and this is the view. It's the Eiffel Tower. Good morning, guys. I look a little weird because I just woke up, and I brushed my teeth and washed my face, and that's it. So that's all I've done today. No hair, nothing. But I want to start this vlog off today. I feel like the light is a little bright. There we go. I want to start the vlog off today because we are going to Amsterdam today, and well, not tonight. We're gonna go. We leave at 12:30 in the morning tomorrow, which is Friday, February 29th. No, sorry. It's Friday, March 1st tomorrow. Okay? So we leave at 12:30 in the morning to go to Amsterdam, and I'm about to pack because I feel like if I don't pack now, I'm not going to pack. So I should probably do that. We're taking a bus, an overnight bus, into Amsterdam. So I don't know if I'm bringing a backpack or if I'm gonna bring my carry-on. Like my carry-on suitcase. It all depends, but I'm about to pack for that. Hey guys, it's me, and it is Sunday, March 3rd today, and I am here. Well, I just woke up at 3, which is really bad. It's 5:10 right now, and I woke up at 3 because yesterday we came back and we came back from Amsterdam, and I didn't really vlog. Actually, I didn't vlog at all in Amsterdam just because it was like super like uneventful and like kind of hectic, and it was just not like the most organized trip ever. So I didn't really vlog out there, but I am gonna vlog for you guys now that I'm back, and I'm gonna do this whole week for you guys, and hopefully the weeks to come, because I have things going on every single weekend while I'm here from this point on. But yeah, I slept in really late today. I don't have class on Mondays, so that's fine. I'm gonna do homework for like the rest of the day today and chill, and then you know, do whatever tonight. But I just went to the store and I picked up some gyoza. This is chicken gyoza. It's in a different language because I'm in France. But yeah, it was $6.60 and I really like gyoza. Haven't eaten yet today, so that's what I got. And I also got a few other things, but right now I'm just gonna eat the gyoza for lunch and then start my homework and then, you know, see what happens from there. Hi guys. We are going to a show. What is it, Patrick Cupid? Mm-hmm. We're going to Patrick Cupid showroom? Yes. Showroom today. But I'll show you guys around when we get there, if I can. I'm sure they'll let me show you. But yeah, it's Monday and I don't have classes today. We're in Uber right now on our way. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get there.
People with chances to post and like to talk about it. Some buyers to come in and see what they think. Okay. Yeah.
Focus. Hey guys, I am out to dinner right now with Harrison. Are you on there? Yeah. Okay. Other thing, my phone died today and I went to the Apple store to get it fixed, but I had to make an appointment, which is not for like another hour. So we came to eat. It was supposed to be the opposite. I was supposed to get my phone fixed and then eat, but that's not how the Apple store wanted to work. So he gave me a food now, and we're going to a nail concert tonight with 2 or 3 other people. I don't know if their person's coming, but Skylar and Faiz. I think you guys have seen them before. You definitely seen Skylar. Maybe not Faiz, but yeah. We're gonna eat. I'll show you guys what we get, and then I'll show you guys the concert later on. This is what I got. It's a traditional cheeseburger with fries and side salad. Harrison got the same thing. Okay, hey guys, this lighting is terrible. I'm sorry, but we're gonna go to the catacombs and Skylar's getting ready and am I ready yet? I need to put my coat on. I think that's it. Crusty. For the other rest of I'm not speaking English. I don't remember what I was trying to say. Anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys to the catacombs and I'll see you there. Oh, he's scared. Yo, why are we talking? In the catacombs.
I just did this to myself. What did you say? Literally all over the door stuff. Yeah. I'm always scared, dude. I want to touch your laptop.
it's been a while since I've just talked to you. I don't think I ever like really just speak to you guys anymore. So I've recently started running out of my hair products that I bought while I was in Ireland, and I think I showed you guys that in my second Ireland vlog maybe. I don't know if it was in the first or the second one, but in one of my vlogs I showed you guys those products. But I just went to the like natural hair area in Paris. It's called Chateau de if you come here, and it's just like this street full of just like hair places and stuff like that, but it ended up like being super expensive too because of import costs and everything. So I ended up getting As I Am stuff for my hair. I got As I Am the coconut co-wash. Focus, buddy. Yeah, I got the coconut co-wash. The double buttercream. Go ahead. Double buttercream. And the curling jelly. And like I said, they were super expensive. The curling jelly was 21 euros. The double buttercream was 25 euros. And the coconut co-wash was 15 euros. But yeah, I just finished a class from 3 to 6. And now I am going to chill until dinner, which dinner starts at 7. But it's 5:40 right now. So we usually go down to dinner around like 6:30, 6:45. And so until then, I'm just gonna chill. I'm probably gonna write a little bit of, can't speak English. Probably gonna write a little bit of a paper and then head down to dinner. Oh, light came out just for me. Hey guys, I'm with Harrison and we're on a train on the way to Disney, and this man is back there playing an accordion, that's what it's called? Yeah.
That's safe, huh?
You pick up the pace like twice.
We're here.
Eso va por aquí.
This is better.
Emma, yo tomarte una foto.
I don't like it.
Emma,
Hope this didn't just make it worse.
Emma, asómate por ahí.
want this?
¿No puedes? ¿No alcanzas?
This one's a little softer.
Por aquí. No.
Hey guys, so we are in Alice's Labyrinth at Disney. So far we did, what rides helped me? We did Rock and Roller Coaster, Pirates, we did
Indiana Jones.
Yeah, Indiana Jones. Don't go on that, your head will hurt.
Concussion coaster. Did you say that?
We did Tower of Terror. I think I'm missing something. I can't remember, but this lighting's really good. We've been doing like one ride an hour, which is really good. We've been keeping on track. Right now, we're losing time, so we gotta go. Harrison, where are you?